This is me, 45 years old, tired how I've been living, and finally, ready to do something about it. I want to feel better, think clearer. I want to show up more fully for myself and for the people I love. I built habits over the years, they just don't serve me anymore. This isn't some polished before and after channel. This is real life, real effort, real change. The name's Troy. Welcome to the second wind. This is day one, our next chapter. Maybe you're here because something has to change inside of you too. Well, hey, you're not alone. I'm starting to address those things that need to be changed. And I'll be documenting the whole thing. And that includes the small wins, the big wins, because I'm gonna need some of them. Of course, the mindset work and the habits that I'm trading in for a more healthy, grounded life. Myself, I'm gonna go through this process of change with or without you, with or without YouTube. I'm doing it, but that's why I want to document this stuff. And I truly want to build this with people that are ready to rewrite their story, to embrace the change and embrace the second wind. For the women out there that may be watching this as well and deciding whether or not this is a guy that I'd like to be following along with, I must mention that there are videos planned for what we call the wellness walk. We being myself and my wife, Andrea. These types of videos are going to be off the cuff, probably with a cell phone in her hand, maybe a different camera. We're going to try and do some good sound because I think it's going to be important, the messages that come out of there. I'm not coming across as like super polished and like I know what to do and I'm telling you or demonstrating or exemplifying what to do to be changing the pillars of your life. But the things that we talk about are the things that motivate us, that have troubled us, that have stumped us, that how we've gotten through some things. Now how we look at problems can be compared to before, and just kind of like that real life feel. There's going to be really light edited, not a whole lot going on, but us walking and talking, and you're invited on every single one of them. I'm excited to put those videos out as well because I think they just give a different twist, right? Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. You should consider hitting subscribe. We're only gonna get better from here. A little more natural feeling, a little more flow to the videos, but yet raw and authentic. Oh, you guys. Oh, stop clapping. Sorry.